Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can replace the sky of your photo using Picsart. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Picsart application on my mobile phone and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then I'm going to choose a photo from my gallery. Wait guys. For example, I'm going to select this photo, okay, and then I'm going to add sky photo or sky image to this photo. I'm going to click on add photo right here, and then you can add the sky you want to add to your photo. For example, I'm going to select this one. I'm going to replace the sky in my photo with this one. We can click on add. Okay, and then I'm going to zoom in like this. And then I'm going to blend my first photo with the second photo. Wait, I'm going to go to the blend mode. And then we can choose the mode which is suitable for our photo. Wait. I'm going to choose, okay, let's try this one. I'm going to choose multiply and then we can keep adjusting until it looks natural. Wait guys, okay, like this. And then I'm going to click on the check mark. Okay, and this is the result. If you're still not satisfied, you can, you can adjust it again. And then I'm going to try to add another photo. Wait, I'm going to click on add photo and then I'm going to select this one. Alright, and then I'm going to blend it again. I'm going to go to the blend. Okay, I'm going to choose darken. Okay, I think it looks good. And this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to replace the sky in your photo using Picsart. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!